so please tell me what happened to it.
I was at work, it was in my pocket, and I went to go pull it out, dropped it, and when I took a look at it, the whole back of it was all smashed.
Okay, the front was
Everything
good.
else is still working
Just
good.
the back?
Just the back.
Okay, thank you very much, Makachoke. Here's ready with new bags. Great.
Wow, it looks nice. I'm scared to touch it. It looks perfect. It's brand new.
Yeah, looks good.
Looks really good.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna buy this case from you so I can keep it nice.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.